Mumbai rains disrupt life. IMD issues orange alert as very heavy showers expected in Maharashtra. IMD has predicted heavy to very heavy rains in Maharashtra for the next 5 days, with an orange alert issued for Mumbai. Orange alert has been issued for Pune, Satara, and Kolhapur districts in western Maharashtra on Saturday and Sunday, and for Bhandara, Gondia, Gadchiroli districts in the Virawada region on Sunday. Lockdown to continue in 11 districts. Restrictions relaxed till 2 pm in Bangalore from June 14. Chief Minister B.S. Yadiyurappa on Thursday chaired a crucial meet with DYCM Dr. C.N. Ashwathanarayan, Home Minister Bajwaraj Bommai, and other senior ministers and reviewed the coronavirus situation in the state. During the meeting, the Karnataka government decided to extend the lockdown at least 11 districts of the state, including Bangalore rural, in view of COVID-19 situation. However, the government said the restriction in Bangalore urban will be relaxed till 2 pm starting from June 14. On the other hand, the night curfew in the state will continue from 7 pm to 5 pm. Petrol price today crosses rupees 102 per litre in Mumbai. Now why fuel is so costly? Petrol is relating above the 100 per litre mark in 6 states and union territories. Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Ladakh, there seems to be no respite for the common man as fuel prices continue to rise in the country. The state-run oil marketing companies have hiked the petrol and diesel prices again today. With the recent hike, petrol has touched a record high of Rs 102 for a little Mumbai on June 11. A litre of petrol cost Rs 95.85 in the national capital, highest ever, while petrol has become expensive by up to 31 paise, diesel is costlier by up to 28 paise on Friday, according to Indian Oil Corporation. Covaxin US approval delayed as FDA asks for more data. Bharat Biotech's American partner Ocugen Inc. on Thursday said it would no longer pursue an emergency use authorization for its COVID-19 vaccine, Covaxin. The company has announced that it would not instead aim to file for a full US approval for the vaccine shot. Ocugen is co-developing Covaxin with Hyderabad-based Bharat Biotech for the US market. Realme book revealed in leaked images. Upcoming tablet will be called Realme Pad. Realme has been continually expanding its product portfolio beyond smartphones to accessories, lot products and more. Now the Chinese smartphone maker is gearing up to the next leap into the laptop and tablet segment. Realme CMO Finances Wong recently teased the arrival of an upcoming Realme tablet. Wong asked users to vote on the naming of the platform by choosing one of the two options, Realme Tab and Realme Pad. For now, there are no details about the Realme tablet, but it will likely run on Android and could debut under the company's Dezzo sub-brand. Boy walks barefoot from Hyderabad to Mumbai to meet Sonu Sood, actor reacts. Venkatesh, a fan of Sonu Sood, recently walked barefoot from Hyderabad to Mumbai to meet the Bollywood actor. The Dabangg star said that he tried to arrange transportation for Venkatesh, but the young boy decided to walk over 1700 kilometers to visit him. Sonu took to social media to share a picture with his fan and said that he is humbled with his gesture. The Simba actor also requested his followers to avoid taking troubles for meeting him. He reiterated that he did not wish to encourage anyone to do such things for him. Staff reporter Rahul Shatputhy.